This is the installation video for aluminum type 1A 300-pound duty-rated articulating and multi-position Workman ladders. The center line is easily located by dividing the outside rail width in half and marking 2 points. You can use a straight edge to connect these points and mark the center line. Mark the center of the lowest ladder rung and then use a T-square to connect to the center line. At this point, measure 1 inch up from this intersection. There is a left side and a right side to the Levelok base unit. The left side has an L on it and the right side has an R on it. The right side base unit is installed on the right side of the ladder when standing in front of the climbing side of the ladder. Use the Levelok Quick Connect base unit as a template to mark the ladder rail. There are 4 holes on the base unit. The middle hole on the base unit is the starting reference point for aligning the template. The hole closest to the ladder shoe is not used in this installation. Please note that this mark is very important, for it represents the middle mounting bolt hole, and it is the official reference point for the remaining 2 holes that will be drilled into for proper mounting. The next step is to drill an initial 1/8 of an inch pilot hole at each of the marks, and then enlarge these holes with an 11/32 bit and make sure to clean the surface of the drilled holes. Add 1 small stainless spacer washer to the lowest mounting bolt hole in order to properly mount the base unit to the rail. There is a small amount of space here, and the washer is used to securely fasten the base unit. Slide the 1 1/4 inch mounting bolts through the base unit and attach them to the rail. Each bolt uses a round fender washer and a lock nut on the inside of the ladder rail. Use the supplied Allen wrench and a socket to fasten the base unit to the rail. After the base unit is installed, with all fasteners, washers, and nuts attached properly, it is important to test the assembly. To do so, line up the 3 mounting knobs on the rear of the leveler. Insert into the 3 keyholes and slide the leveler upward to snap lock into position. Then insert the detent pin that is attached to the lanyard. Next, test the leveler function by snapping the lower curved foot pedal down into the ready position and extend the inner leg 5 or 6 inches, and then retract the inner leg by activating the release lever near the top. Please note that all Levelok ladder levelers have an automatic backup safety lock, so if there's any pressure on the leveler shoe, the release lever will be restricted in its movement. This safety feature is designed for your safety, and it is important that the leveler shoe remains somewhat loose on the shoe bolt, just as it is when you first receive the product. Install the second Levelok base unit on the opposite rail by following the same instructions.